guys, I'm Resham. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. The tourist guide have to know a lot of language. Okay, the short film is present by Resham and acted by Resham and directed by Resham. And we have a new actor also. Okay, now Resham is a tourist guide and Seshu is a tourist. We have to I know Tamil and he know English and he can't understand my language. That's the story about. Bye. Now, what can I understand, Baba?
I cannot understand what you are talking.
என்ன understood என்னது?
I cannot understand what you are talking.
என்னது?
Hey. Hey.
ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. தமிழ் மட்டும் தான் தெரியும். என்னது?
Community. What are you talking? You don't know English. Simple English.
reply பண்ணுடா.
You know what I mean?
என்னது?
What is hi?
Hi. என்னடா ஹைனா?
No.
இங்க பாரு இவனே கடுப்பை உன்னை அடிக்கிற சொல்லி என்ன அடிக்கிறான்? என்னது?
No.
என்ன பிரதர்னா?
I communicate with you.
கம்யூனிகேஷன். டேய் நான் அடிக்கிறேன்டா அது காப்பாத்துடா. அடிக்கிறதுடா.
You know communicate?
No.
That's not what you tell. You stupid like that.
I know the word.
Yeah, that's what I tell you.
What nana? What nana?
I don't know what you are talking like, dog. No.
Now this is my short film team. Okay, so this moral value is do not tease people and tourist guide have to know many language. Okay, bye guys, don't forget to subscribe.